Today's class, subtraction of integers. Yesterday we discussed addition of integers, but today subtraction of integers. First, represents the subtraction of integers represent on the number line. Subtraction of integers represent on the number line. To take one example, that is 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. First we draw the number line. 0 is the origin. We point out the numbers on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Positive integer. 7 is the positive integer. So we represent the numbers on the number line only positive integer. 7. 7 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 7 minus 5, we get the answer is 2. We use the subtraction of integers represent on the number line. First we draw the number line and represents the numbers, positive numbers on the number line, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 5 equal to 2. Next. Compute the subtraction of integers. We take two integers and subtract. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 plus 7 minus 2. Bigger number have positive, that is plus symbol. So we get the answer in plus. 7 minus 2, 5. So plus 5. Next, 13 minus 6. 13 have positive symbol. Yes. So biggest number have positive symbol. So we write in front of the answer plus 13 minus 6. We get the answer is 7. And we take two negative integers. 2 first plus into minus. Plus comma minus. Next plus comma minus. Then we take plus, minus and plus. Bigger number have negative symbol and smallest number have positive symbol. Then 15 minus, biggest number have negative. So we write negative, that is minus. 15 minus 3. Plus into minus into plus minus. So we subtract these two integers, that is 15 minus 3. We get the answer is 12. Yes. And take 18 minus biggest number have negative. Minus 18 plus 2. We minus into plus. So we subtract these two integers. Biggest number have negative. So minus 18 minus 2, 16. These are subtraction of two integers. But in this biggest number have any symbol, then answer in that symbol. We will get the answer in biggest number have plus symbol. So we will get the answer in also plus. Next, multiplication of integers. Before start this topic, compulsory we know the some rules, that is already we discussed plus into minus, plus into plus plus, and plus into minus minus, and minus into plus minus, and minus into minus plus. Okay, multiplication of integers, we take some examples, that is plus into plus. Okay, plus into plus, we take two positive integers. Okay, we take two positive integers, that is plus 7 into plus 4, plus into plus plus 7 4s are 28. Okay, next second rule, that is plus 7 into minus 4, plus into minus, plus into minus minus, 7 4s are 28. Next, minus 7 into plus 4, that is minus into plus minus, 7 4s are 28. And fourth one, minus 7 into minus 4. Minus 7 into minus 4, minus into minus plus, 7 4s are 28. Plus into plus plus, 7 4s are 28. Yes, plus into minus minus, 7 4s are 28. Minus 7 into plus 4 minus 28, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus, 7 4s are 28. Okay, next, observe in these four rules, plus into plus plus 28, minus into minus plus, 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28. In these two laws, get the answer is same. So in both symbols have same, then result in plus symbol. Minus plus into plus plus, and minus into minus also plus. If a plus into minus minus, and minus into plus equal to minus, these two laws we observe, the answer will get same number and same symbol. Yes. And the next topic is multiplication of more than two integers. How to find out multiply the how to multiply the more than two integers. How to multiply more than two integers. More than two integers. Take one example, that is minus 4 into minus plus 4 into plus 3 into plus 2. First rule, plus into plus. Okay, I will explain one example in 4 rules. Okay, plus 4 into plus 3 into plus 2. First we multiply first two integers. That is plus into plus plus, 4 3s are 12, and write plus 2. Next, plus into plus plus, 12 2s are 24. Okay, I will explain once again. We take 3 positive integers from first law, plus into plus plus. Plus, we use plus into plus formula. Plus 4 into plus 3 into plus 2. Plus into plus plus, 4 3s are 12 into plus 2. Plus into plus plus, 12 2s are 24. Same numbers but symbols are different. Okay. Plus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Okay, plus into minus minus, 4 3s are 12 into plus 2. minus into plus. In this we use the odd law. Minus into plus. Minus into plus. Minus 12 twos are 24. First we multiply two integers. Plus into minus. Minus 4 threes are 12. Into plus 2 we will write as it is. Next minus into plus. Minus 12 twos are 24. We take all negative integers. Okay. Minus into minus. Minus into minus. Plus. Minus into minus. Plus. 4 threes are 12. Into minus 2. 12 twos are 24. Plus into minus. Minus. 12 twos are 24. Okay. How to multiply more than two integers? We take three integers. We take three negative integers. First we multiply first two integers, and then result will be get. Then give next 12 into minus 2. 12 twos are 24.